Are you running a business in the UAE and struggling to get your VAT settings right in Zoho Books? Today, I'll walk you step by step through configuring VAT in your organization so you can stay compliant and save time on tax management. By the end of this video, you'll have your Zoho Books fully set up for UAE VAT, hassle-free. First, let's log into Zoho Books. Open your browser, go to the Zoho Books website, and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main hub, the dashboard. This is your central control panel for all business finances. Next, locate the settings icon. It looks like a little gear, usually at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the settings menu. In this menu, look for taxes and compliance. This section is where you manage all tax-related configurations, including VAT. Now, click on tax settings. Here, you can either create new tax rates or adjust existing ones. Since we're focusing on UAE VAT, make sure to enter the correct tax rate, which is currently 5%, and assign the appropriate tax code based on the UAE regulations. Double check that each tax rate is applied correctly to invoices, purchases, and other relevant transactions. Once your rates are set, save the changes. Zoho Books will now automatically calculate VAT for all your transactions according to the UAE rules. You can even generate tax reports directly from Zoho Books, making compliance and filing much simpler. And that's it. Your organization's VAT settings in Zoho Books are now fully configured for the UAE. It's that simple to stay compliant and organized with your taxes. If this guide helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials to simplify your business accounting in 2025 and beyond. See you in the next video.